Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. One of the things that I really love about being back on the homestead is all the trees that are around me. They provide me a sense of serenity, peacefulness, and they provide shade for my plants, my family, and myself. However, during the fall, they become a nuisance because they drop their leaves. And prior, I would just rake them up and put them in my compost bin. But today we're going to review a product that is going to help with that. Let's get started. So welcome to my makeshift table, the trunk of my car. The company GoChiFix sent me a 21 volt cordless leaf blower to review. And we're going to open it up and see what it has. So out of the box, we have the hose and wand itself. And we're going to take it out of the plastic and just lay that here for now. We have the actual blower itself here. And we're going to lay that here for now. We have 21 volt charger. We have the electrical cord that goes with it. And we have, oh, actually, these are the batteries, I'm presuming now. We have two batteries, 21 volt batteries. And we have the directions. So we're going to slide this in, I would imagine. And we have it in like that. Okay, that's better. We have it in. And we're going to place a battery, snap it in here. And we have it put together and connected. So this is lightweight. I like it. And it's powerful. The directions that I read says that it can blow airspeed up to 130 miles per hour. That is more than enough for my needs, and very, very lightweight. It comes with 5 speeds here on the handle here. Low speed, a little faster, a little faster, and then top speed. And as I mentioned before, it comes with 2 batteries. So it will last a lot longer than normal. The batteries are easy to put in and come off. So another feature that I like is that it comes with 2 wands, and you can use the shorter wand here and just slide it on, or you can take this and connect it together like this, and you have a longer wand, and all you do is slide this back on, and just like that, you have a much longer and much more powerful leaf blower. So come along with me while I show you my plans for using this, and hopefully you'll be interested in purchasing one. We'll talk about that following this. So last night we had rain, and most of these are pine needles that we're looking at, and they probably won't blow as much, but during the fall, I rake all this stuff up, put it into a leaf bag, and take it over to my compost bin. Well, with this, I can start off on low power and go as far as I want, and poof. So I can start off on low power and go up to maximum power, and the leaves will be blown to wherever I want them to be blown. This is definitely going to come in handy, as I said. And as you see, there are lots and lots and lots of trees, and they drop their leaves in the fall. So we have probably until late September, early October, and then the leaf dropping will commence, and this will definitely come in handy. So what are my thoughts? I love it. I think it is definitely going to be useful for me here on the homestead, especially like I mentioned before, during the fall, when everything that you see that is green falls and becomes a really big a nuisance with all the leaves around. But with this, not so much anymore. I want to thank the company GoChiFix for sending it out to me. If you are interested in purchasing one of these, I'll leave a link in the description and comment portion of the video for it. And guess what? There is a discount code for this, 50% off. Yes, you heard me, 50% off. And I want to say that's through September 1st or 2nd. If you're interested, act now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it brought a little smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables for myself and my family without your help. However, I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Let's try to get this video up to at least 200 likes. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.